Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix YouTube pause button is not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you have paused any video on your YouTube and it's not working, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So watch this video till the end. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and from here guys, simply tap on general and then tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you don't have updated, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on iPhone storage, scroll down, tap on YouTube, tap on offload the app, and after that reinstall it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open up the App Store and search here for YouTube. From here guys, you have to just simply update a YouTube app from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.